You think a thunderstorm on Earth is crazy. Wait till you see what falls from the skies on other planets. This isn't science fiction. This is real science. On Venus, it doesn't rain water ... it rains sulfuric acid. The droplets sizzle and evaporate long before they even hit the scorching surface. And on Jupiter, scientists believe it rains helium ... and even literal diamonds. The universe is weirder than we can imagine. Subscribe if you want more mind-blowing facts about our solar system every day.